Is now the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 6, 2023, and today we'll be providing you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 6, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.04. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll continue to closely monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The stock is currently in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. However, there are indications of a further rise within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 5.36% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between -3.18% and 10.95%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 218.48% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 197.65% and 256.84%. In other words, the price range after a year could be between $939.99 and $1,126.91. Our latest update for Meta brings news that the Meta stock has been downgraded to a sell candidate. On the last trading day, which was Monday, November 6, 2023, the Meta stock price showed a gain of 0.381%. It started at $314.60 and rose to $315.80. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $314.47 and a high of $318.33, showing a 1.23% fluctuation. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 0.57% gain. The trading volume decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 12 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.91 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded was $330.54, while the lowest was $93.10. Currently, the stock price is 4.46% or $14.74 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 17.83% or $68.53 below the all-time high, which was reached on September 1, 2021, when the price reached $384.33. Today, we're going to talk about the signals identified for Meta stock. The Meta stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. If the stock corrects downwards, it may find support at $307.68 and $308.39. If it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 9.52% increase so far. We may see further rise until a new top pivot is found. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning, so it's important to closely monitor the stock. Negative signals have also been issued, which could potentially influence the short-term development. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence has shown a sell signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger Bands also indicate a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 5 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal 5 days ago. In terms of the relation between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 9 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 7 days ago. In terms of the relation between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 201 days ago. If you want to find more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Meta. On the downside, Meta's stock has found support just below today's level at $297.74 and $288.35 based on accumulated volume. When a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if the support at $297.74 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $288.35 and $283.25. This stock typically has average movements during the day and trades with good volume, which indicates a medium level of risk. In the last day, the stock moved $3.86 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to a 1.23% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.4%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Meta, let's take a moment to understand some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. The PE ratio we see here is considered normal and is often found in companies with a long history or steady revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 30, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Meta. If Meta experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $318.36. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this level could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $297.74. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and unfortunately, no stop loss has been set. Is Meta stock a good buy? Unfortunately, our analysis suggests that Meta stock is not performing well and is likely to continue underperforming in the coming days or weeks. We have downgraded our evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. However, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Tuesday, November 7th, we anticipate Meta to open up $0.399 and commence trading at $316.20. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. To make informed decisions, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. Additionally, we'd love to hear your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.